Imagine waking up to the soothing sounds of a flowing river, surrounded by lush tropical landscape, yet you're right in the heart of Puerto Vallarta. Introducing Oasis at Rivera Cuale, where your dream lifestyle comes to life. Oasis features a blend of contemporary architecture and natural elements seamlessly integrated into the picturesque landscape of Rivera Cuale. Once completed, Oasis will be a vibrant community that boasts world-class amenities, all carefully designed to provide an unparalleled luxury experience for its residents. For nature enthusiasts, Oasis offers plenty of green spaces, playgrounds, and outdoor amenities where you can unwind and connect with nature. Don't miss this chance to live the dream Oasis lifestyle. With pre-construction prices, now's the time to secure your spot in paradise. Go to mexhome.com to make it happen.